Was originally a ringing bowl timer from Zen and Now. It worked great for a while, and then at some point the electronics died. So I decided to replace that electronics with my own. And so you can see here some new controls that I added. This one in the middle is one which wakes it up from deep sleep, and you can see it wakes up in the last mode it was in, which in this case was the set mode. And you can see I can change the time which is going to run before it rings the bell, and then I can also set change the mode. The mode has set, run, pause, and repeat. In set mode, it's basically just waiting until you have it set, whatever number you want to set it to. In run, it runs down to 0, rings the bell, and then goes back into set mode. And in repeat mode, it continues to execute and count down to whatever number you've set, and then ring the bell. And in, let's see what I had here, pause, you can just pause in the middle if you're wanting to take some more time between it ringing the bell. And then I have a little test mode here where it will ring the bell, allow you to validate that you've got it set up correctly and everything's happy. Let's see, what other interesting things. So it was originally run by an unknown little microprocessor. Now I've got a ESP32 board in there, and that I programmed with Arduino code, which is pretty close to C. And let's see, it has a boost regulator to give me the voltage required for this solenoid, and also a FET switch, which is used to control the solenoid with a diode for protection. Let's see, what else? It has a input port here for power and also for reprogramming the processor that's inside of here. Probably some things that I would do different in the future. I would not have the display be part of the processor board. Making this bezel was not easy, and it's not perfect, not pretty, but from a normal viewing distance, it works pretty well. And I would definitely have that be different. Yeah, other thing just to note is, like all projects like this, it's harder than you think. It has about 600 lines of code. I guess that includes the blank lines too, so probably maybe 400 lines of code total to manage all the different subtle things that you got to worry about. And there you are. It does go to sleep after 10 minutes of sitting in either pause or set mode, and goes into a low power mode, which this button I showed you in the initial start causes an interrupt to wake it up out of that low power mode.